Hello, this is part two of the instructions or a demonstration of how to get PyDev set up, including for ArcGIS. So we've been asked, we're trying to select an interpreter, and we have browsed to the place that ArcGIS 10 installed Python. So that is where our Python interpreter is. And it's asking us if we want to include these libraries. This is absolutely essential. And we say OK to that, and OK. And then it's going to take a minute to parse all that stuff. And then we finish it. And then we have and we're going to make, at this point, make a new PyDev module. Not going to have it, we're going to just have it be in the default package test module. Okay, and let's see how this bad boy works. Let's try printing something. And then if we run it, we're going to run it like that, then we see the output there in the console. Beautiful. Let's say we wanted to have a variable like x equals goodbye world, and then we'll print that. And we'll run that, and I suggest we click this box to have the resources saved before launching. That means we can just run and it'll do it. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's try setting a breakpoint and examining a variable. So I'm going to double click here. That sets a breakpoint. And I'm going to come up here and say debug this test module. Do we want to open the debug perspective? Yes, I do. Otherwise, why would I be asking? Okay, then I can come in here, and if I hover over X, I can see that X is equal to goodbye world. Actually, let's stop that execution, and I'm going to set another breakpoint that's on this line, which ought to stop before the line executes. If I hover over X, X is not defined. If I then go to run step over, I have now executed that line. I can examine X, and X is now goodbye world. So there we have now successfully done some debugging. So the key things are here that when we did the step of creating, let's go back to the PyDev perspective. When we did the step of creating a new other PyDev project, we selected as an interpreter, right? We did this. We selected as an interpreter the version of Python that ArcGIS installed. That's the key bit of magic here. And if we do that, it should all work. And I'll even prove it to you. Okay. I'm going to go in and nab some code that Sterling Quinn wrote, and let's see. Well, let's